Hello everyone, this is Tom Howard. I am the creator of these multiple income streams, or otherwise known as People Helping People, because this program really helps a lot of people start making money with it. Bob Proctor is one of my mentors, and he said that when people see the multiple streams of income on our pages here, they get a reaction of wow, because they basically it gets them thinking, how they can create different income streams with their mind and everything. And it really doesn't take any mind to create. As a matter of fact, with our program, it doesn't take any mind. All you have to do is keep on promoting your page. When you become a member, and the cost to become a member is just $7. Okay, when you click on that link, join here, it's at the top of the page and it's at the bottom of the page. When you click on that link, it's going to open up an order page. And as you can see on that order page, it has $7 for multiple income streams premium membership. Now, if you cannot afford a premium membership to this program, I suggest you go back to your day job. I suggest, because the days of free membership are over. There's just nothing else online. There's one other program that I know of online that you can join for free, maybe two programs online that you can join for free. But really, if you don't pay something, which $7 is measly, if you don't pay at least $7, well then it's not worth anything to you. And you're not going to take it seriously. This is a business, it's not a hobby. You need to take it seriously. And you need to promote it just the way we tell you to promote it. Because we have the free traffic sources. We have multiple streams of income on this page, as you can see. Okay, first of all, this video right here, Bob Proctor talks about the multiple streams of income and how earning money is a game. Okay, it really is just a game. And if you play it correctly, you will earn money. Okay, how to make $1 million income. All right, now, this gentleman here knows, he has a formula, a complete formula there. He has a downloadable link right below, right there. You can download the PDF and you can go along with his formula. And I urge everyone to take this very seriously, what he's talking about, because this is exactly the way money can be made with anything that you do, online, offline, anything that you want to do in life and you want to make money with it, you can do it that way. I'm not talking about a job. I'm talking about making money for yourself and not having a ceiling on that money. All right? So I suggest everybody watch that video. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 sources of income on this page, folks. And if you can't make money with those 20 sources of income, you can't make money. I'm going to tell you one other thing that you need to know about making money online. Okay? You need to invest in yourself. You start out with the $7. You invest the $7 in yourself. Then as you start making some money with this program, and I make a suggestion to you, if you don't have any money other than the $7 to join, this program right here, you can start making with Best Easy Work. You can join it for free, and you remain free, and you can start making $25 off from anybody that you get to join the program. And I will put your link in this page right here, the page that I give you when I set your page up. But you have to at least join that program. You have to join it, and if I put your name in that link, then you're going to anybody else that joins Best Easy Work is going to the member page that you joined off from. They're going to notify me that you joined, and we're gonna get you started. Okay, that's the easiest way to start with the multiple streams of income, and this would be my game plan if I only had $7. Or if I didn't have $7 today, I would wait until I got the $7 together. I would join right here. I would go down to that page after I joined, and I would join Best Easy Work. That gets you started at least. And then when you do that, you're going to go to this page right here. I'm going to type it out for you. Okay, debitcardprofits.net programs.htm. Let's see where that takes us to, and I'll show you exactly what's going on here. Program you have added. Should be programs you have added, because we have multiple programs there, and I'm going to edit this. I've actually added 4 or 5 more programs to the list, and we'll put those in a little bit later on. But the important ones are in there right now. The Best Easy Work is one of the first ones that you can put in there. And if you joined ClickBank, or you have a ClickBank name, this is going to be so much easier for you, because then I can enter your ClickBank username in all of the ClickBank items and stuff, and we can get you started that way. I'm only entering it into a couple to start with, and because I want to see how well you do with our program. And if you do well with our program, I give you more. That's the way it works in life. Anything that you do well with, you're going to get more of it, you know. And that's a principle that I've lived with for most of my life and everything. And when I put you into the rotator, when you get started, you're going to be taught how to get thousands of hits per day to your site. And that's kind of a secret right now. So I want everybody to keep this in mind and just sign up today, join for $7 and then put your information in at Best Easy Work and get that started so that I can enter it in, go over to the programs page, and we'll get you started. I'm confident that anybody can make money with our program. You just have to get started and you have to do it. Just do it, like Nike said. Thanks, people. We'll see you on the inside.